beautiful people, and welcome to another video. I hope you like this sort of series that I'm talking about several websites in a time. Maybe they are about colors, typography or inspiration or whatever. If you have any suggestion on videos, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to fulfill your wishes. Today's video is about UI inspiration. So are you searching for the latest UI design inspiration and UI patterns? Then this video is totally for you. The first website that I would like to introduce to you is Mobile Design Patterns, and it's the finest collection of design patterns, resources, and of course inspiration. Pretty much there is everything that you may wish, and the categorization is very nice, so they have done an amazing job. In the left part you can see the platform, so you have iOS and Android, and then there are categories like about, activity feeds, ask permission, book, and whatever. And then on the other part you have your tags. So like there is alien, big type, busy, college, and whatever, and there is dates that are added like by year, and sort that currently is by popularity. For me, I'm just going to click on iOS and I'm going to show you an example. So I'm on iOS, so you can see all the patterns that are right here. If you click on if you hover on a design, then you have your tags. For example, this is fun, and the category, which is iOS, as we clicked, and settings. I'm going to click on this design and then another tab will open. So here you have all of the things that you can see in this category. A very beautiful design, and you can find pretty much everything that you may wish. But let's continue with the second one, Daily UI Design Inspiration, and this site is called UI Garage. Again, on the left part you have a big sub menu with all the categories, and you can have a select channel. Let's just click on the activity, and as you can see there are 36 patterns, so it gives us the latest patterns, and there are beautiful designs here that will help you take some inspiration and then create a beautiful app or website. Okay, let's continue with the third one, and this is quite a bit different than the two that we just saw. So here there is another approach on patterns, and this is more like an educational site. For example, here you will find some information. Let's just say that I'm interested in inputs. I'm going to click on the category Getting Inputs, and here I have all the inputs that I may have in a website or app. For example, I have forms explaining the process and community driven, but in forms I have all the categories. Let's just say I want the password strengthen meter, so I'm going to click on this category, and now I have a problem. I have an example of this problem and the usage, and then I can see how this problem is being solved. So I have some examples, the solution of course, and then some more description. So this is more like a site that you will get some information about the things that you want to do. For example, do you want how to make a password? Then you can go there and find everything, but more not from the design process, but how to think of it and then how you will style it. So another site similar to this one is the willy.com, Patterns in Interaction Design. Here the UI design maybe is not so beautiful, but everything inside there in the categories are very helpful. For example, now I have clicked on main navigation, and again I have a problem similar to the previous site and the solution. The solution contains some images that are very helpful, and then there are some other titles like use when, how, and other examples also. Okay, now let's go back to see some more patterns. This one has a different kind of categorization. You can go on style and click on whatever you like. You can go on type or either color or other device. and then depending on these ones you can click and see a site or a website or an app or whatever. Let's just say that I like this one, so I'm going to click, and it's an illustration from TikTok. Okay, so that's more like an inspiration and not so much a how-to. But again, because it have a beautiful categorization, you will find everything that you may like. Alright, so you have your related patterns, and also here some categories or some belongings. So this one belongs to these categories, or you can even go to the website that is this image taken from. And the last site that I would like to show you is called Tab Patterns. And again, here on the left part, you can find a lot of categories. For example, let's go on the About section. And inside there, you will find subcategories. And here you will find the subcategories. And every time you can see the title, and then that's it's about, because I clicked on the About section. And then if you want to click on it and find more information, of course you can do that. When you're transferred in the design, again, you will be able to find even more designs and more information. So I hope that you like this kind of inspiration. I know that I have already done some other videos about UI inspiration, but I really like these websites, and the thing that they can offer you some great patterns to develop your own designs or even your own patterns, and I'm sure that you will end up with a great website or app. If you have any suggestion, as always, leave a comment below and I'll sure to check it out. And if you like this video, also give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing day and see you in the next one.